Hey guys, what's up? Right, so today I have a Lenovo laptop over here, and the problem with this computer is that it's got a broken screen. So if I were to turn it off, you can see that it's got this sort of situation. So it's a cracked screen, and I'm going to show you guys how to change this cracked screen. It's pretty simple and easy, and most of the Lenovo computers are basically dealt in the same process, so it's quite easy. So just carefully watch the video, and I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my other videos if you find them useful, and if you got any comments, just leave it in the comment section below. So guys, first of all, let's dive into this and see how it's done. So first off is that you have to take the bezel from here. So this is the bezel, so you can turn off the computer and take the bezel from here, and all you have to do is you have to just try to strip it open, because I had previously opened it up, so that's why it's coming off. So just put your fingers through it, or take a sort of a prying device and just take that off. So it should literally come off like that. And as you can see over here, I'm just going to show you the hooks. So these are the hooks. Yep. So that's the first thing you need to take off. So just put that on the side. Second, you have to open up these screws over here. Once you open up these screws, there is an attachment which literally connects the screen. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit and show you guys. So if you notice that there's an attachment over here, so it's just over here. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. So pretty much something like that. And so once you take that off, all you have to do is just lay the screen flat. This is the attachment which needs to be taken off. So all you have to do is just pull this attachment, take the screen. This was where the attachment was. So guys, I've ordered the new screen. So it came in this box. So guys, this is the new screen. Attachment in the same place. Lay it flat. Fix the attachment back in again. So don't press it really hard, because you might break some of the lines, and that's it. So you can use the same sticker and then start tightening the screen. Whenever you tighten, just make sure everything is in place. With this cable, the white cable, any sort of cable in fact, that should be in place, yeah, so it doesn't get in the way. Don't over tighten the screws. Take the bezel. So there's a screen protector on it as well. So we'll test it out first. Perfect. So it literally locks into place. So we were able to successfully change the screen on this Lenovo computer. It's working fine. So I'll put the model in the description below. Most of the Lenovo computers carry on the same process if you need to change the screen, so it won't be an issue if you have a Lenovo and you have a broken screen. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and see you next time then. Bye bye.